Alright, I got 2 boxes from Walmart. Yeah. First one. I got all of them. First box has this super pad. I got some extra, whatever, you know. I also, when I was reviewing this, be done with this, you know. So yeah. I should have another one in here. Save for more stuff. Let's open this. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I bought 2 of the things. This should be. Aha, yeah. I bought 2 of them. Because why not? Then I have the last thing. Jeez. Okay, this is first. Actually, I'm hooked over it. Yay. It's the Ozark Trail hiking backpack 50 liter. Has the thing on it. People has this like whatever. I want to see how this works real quick. Oh, it has a. Oh, that's disappointing. It doesn't have a thing. It has like a lot of like Molly webbing on it, I believe. I don't know. But let's see. I just want to see how this goes. So yeah. Let's see. Wait. Let's do this. And here. Yep. As you see, I got my 5-star necklace. Let's see. Is this? Where's this go? This right here. What? Come on. Also, you notice this has a whistle on it. I know these type of whistles. They suck. Trust me, they suck. But I have a good. Give me a second to get this on. This is perfect right here. So yeah, like that and like that.
I need 7 boots. I need 10.
Pretty cool. I like it. So yeah. And all this is actually perfect because this, yeah. It has 2 side pouches, I believe. So yeah, it'd be really nice to have. Let me get this off.
And do you need even on cuddlers, but I have skirts and emos.
Oh, come on, girl. Yeah, I like this. Pretty nice. This thing right here. Pretty nice. Exactly what I wanted to for. Has a. I could actually. Can I? No, I cannot. Good. Have that. Pretty cool. And yeah, with a bunch of little things. I'm pretty sure there's stuff in here like core and all that. So yeah. Now let's see. Oh wow, has like a back thing right here. That's nice. Wait, where is it? Hold on. Oh wait, coconut zebra though. But yeah, anyway, I just want to do a short video. Hey, show.
Sweet